Yay! Something different today. We're going to do Return of the Phantoms hard mode. Hopefully it doesn't take me more than 15 minutes because that's all the recording time I have. I really need to find a different recorder. So yeah, some gems in there before you start. Lots of gems in this adventure actually. A lot of people quit this adventure, it just seems too much, but once you get to know it, it's really easy. Basically, where there's a phantom, there's a cork or a key. Come on, phantom. Yay. So first spot, always go that way and to the left. There's little 3 sections in here, but there it is. My wolf's a good level, so I've got a few hearts to back me up. Oh no. Okay, so now that you do the left, that will be done, and then you can either go... Oh no. Here? Lag and phantoms do not mix. Okay, they're still coming for me. Oh my gosh, they really want me. Lose them around the fountain or the well. Okay, I'm not sure it will be one straight up because it was there, but... Oh yeah. Can we get out on 2 hearts? Come on. Don't fail me, lag. Okay. Whoa-oh, I forgot about them. Good thing they don't want me still. Okay, so these pipes are done. Then you head to the right side. 2 more pipes. Okay, sometimes there can be a cork in there, but there's not. So it's going to be up here. Oh no. There we go. There. Or it can be where that phantom's going. Like I said, wherever there's a phantom, there's a cork. Okay, and then down, straight down here. And then you're going to want to go to the end, over here. And this one you just don't go running in, unless you've got heaps of hearts. I do. If I didn't have 1 heart left right now, I'd be running in and just grabbing it. But you just kind of sneak around with the phantoms. You know what, I'm going to make a run for it backwards though. And also if you have to run out of here, quickly run up here. Safety grass. I call it safety grass. So, that is the first bit of the corks done. Then you're going to have to water these plants. And with this one, so what is it? I think the middle chest at the end is gems. So if you don't want gems, don't pick that one. And the bottom left is gems. And the prizes in this adventure are very random. So there's no set prizes in this adventure. So it's always good when you can win things like wands, bow and arrows, fox hats, swords, gloves. That's the good prizes. The bad is candy cane tiaras and Barney. Uh-oh, that's not good. Forgot I had my little phantom friends here. Can I get it without getting them? Yay. Oh no! 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 Go away! No! Go away! Oh no. You're gonna eat me. Oh yay! I'm free! Okay, then back over the bridge. Grab that one. And then you've got these 4 here. As you see, the 3 gem chests back there that I got. Plus the one at the start. I think in this whole adventure, It adds up to be about 1,000 gems that you make each time. I used to play this flat out when I was non-member to get all them warns and fox hats. Trade them for den bedders. Then traded den bedders for spikes. So even if you're not a member, you can still, well, if that's what you're into, getting rares, you can still do it by just doing this one adventure, and it's really easy. I mean, it's been 5 minutes now and I'm nearly done. There's also your secret door in here. Never wants to let me through that fence. Yep, through here. I really got to start playing this more again. I've been too much into Forgotten Desert. I really want to level up my Night Helmet. I found that this cave has become really junk lately, actually. It used to be really good. Yeah, I really want to level up my... Oof, on my other account I was getting really good levels. I did have another account. I used to be called... oh no. Bunscat? But AJ decided that my username was inappropriate, so they turned me into a jammer, and then lots of numbers after it, and it was just getting really annoying to log in, and it was just annoying when people would say, "Hey jammer," and you don't know who they're talking to. So I changed it to Sky to Star. Well, no, I didn't change it actually. I made this and just made a new account. Kept the other one as jammer because for some reason they weren't accepting my request to change my name to Sky to Star or something. Sometimes there's a key here. Nope. Yeah, so I made a new account just to get a username, and then one day they finally accepted that I could change my name on my main that was Bunscat, and so I just made it Sky to Star too. So that's why I have two accounts. I don't know why I'm killing these phantoms because there's no key there today. Oh dear. I'm doing it in the wrong order. This is not the order I usually do it in. I don't believe... people believe that you do these cages in order. I found it random. Like, I played it that much when I was non-member and tested all the theories, like every single theory that you hear about it. It didn't work. It was just so random. Where am I? A key. Oh, there's a key down here. I'm lost because I'm talking. There we go. Just run straight in this one. Oh no! I did it wrong! I thought I was at the end one. Ah! Hang on, did I already come in here? Oh, I've lost myself. I can't believe I lost myself. I knew you were there. Normally you just run straight down. Like this side where I'm running up, you run straight down. And if the key's not there, you run straight to the bottom where the safety grass is. Run, run. I'm so glad I'm not that lagged. I've been lagged. Ugh! What? This is so not like me. I'm just being really... I guess I'm being distracted. Okay, Snowball, you're out. And then you got this last one. See, I don't like it when you do adventures with people because they always use this chompy plant here, but I like to use it for this one because you grab this one, get him out of the little walkway, put him there, and then you're free just to run in. Whee! I'm free! Sort of. Sometimes the key can be here. If not, over here. I'll use a gonna chase me? Okay, just chase me. I'm done anyway. This is the last key. My favourite chest to pick is the top right. Like I said, don't pick. What the? Oh, I was waiting for the. And don't pick the middle or the bottom left if you don't want gems. Okay, what do you got for me? I mean, that just took like 10 minutes, but I was being silly. Okay, rare mech wings. That's always good. Okay. Hi, Liza. That is Liza, yes. Let me out. That's it. I was gonna show you the weekend party, but 29 minutes. Anyway, yeah, so if you go here and go into here, bounce house party, you can get all these jelly items. I've only brought the jelly fountain so far, so I have to log on. Go to the party to get the rest. So that's the jelly items. It's pretty. I'm a jelly. I'm a dancing jelly. It's kind of cute on that character, actually. Jelly, jelly, jelly. Jelly party. Well, that's it now. That's all I got. Don't forget your weekend items. Yeah. For non-members, do that adventure. Good way to get your rares up. Oh, I'm getting invaded. Alright, that's it for this one. A giveaway will be coming up very shortly. And also at 100 subs, I will be doing a collar giveaway. I'm not yet sure if it's going to be a short or long collar. We'll see. Alright? Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.